It's going to be a reading for the sign of Scorpio, all that I need to know about your situation, your person, from now until the end of the month. So, welcome back. Let's start your reading. So, three cards for you, and I remove your person like usual. Okay, the first card we have for you is the Tower in the reverse. So, many of you guys are not wanting to, like change your ways or possibly let go of something that you should be letting go of. It's long due that you should be ending something in your life in order to move towards something new. Okay, what else do you see coming up for Scorpio? With the Ace of Pentacles, we definitely see a new job offer coming your way or a new money making opportunity, if not a job. I definitely see something new coming your way, but you have to get rid of something old, something toxic. Otherwise, you're just going to miss an opportunity. Okay, you have to end something. That's the third card. That in order to get somewhere, you have to end something. To get there, there's a necessity for you to end a cycle in your life. Okay, this is the third time I'm reminding you. Now moving to your relationship, what do we see here? With Knight of Swords, this connection has been like, something that is not permanent. Okay, your person keeps coming and going from your life. Your person has never been intending to stay. Okay, like commitment hasn't been happening for whatever reason. Okay, and this person has always been in and out. With Queen of Cups, I do see this person having emotions for you. Okay, in terms of their current energy, if they have been distant, then I see them coming towards you for sure. Okay, with Knight of Cups right now, this person does want to express their feelings with you, like not just come forward but also express. Okay, in terms of their major energy this time, with Nine of Wands, in terms of energy, I still do not see them, like doing much. But in terms of expressing feelings, being warm, being kind, being gentle, that much you can expect. But you can't expect them to completely, like give you commitment or completely stay open to you. That is something I do not see. Okay, but I do see them expressing a bit of their honest feelings for you. Okay, one more card in terms of their major feelings this time. Many of you guys could be dealing with a potential water sign or fellow Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. Some of you it could be air sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Okay. With Ace of Cups, this person is madly in love with you. They have a lot of feelings. Okay, one more card in terms of their headspace. Headspace with Seven of Cups, they're confused for whatever reason. There's no clarity. Okay, in the past they could have thought of this as attraction. Okay, as passion, as lust, but now they have realized that it is much more than that. Okay, so what could be getting in the way? However, what's the major blockage? We have two cards. We have Two of Wands and we have the Fool card. So this person hasn't been very much forthcoming with their with their solid offer, that is commitment. Okay, they haven't been taking chances. They have been staying at where they are. Okay, just like I've mentioned at the start, that this person has always been in and out and not permanent. Okay, with star card, for some of you, this person looks at you as someone who's above them, as someone who's a step above them. So they are not quite sure if you'll accept their offer. Okay. One more card in terms of what are they willing to offer, however. Right now they are willing to compromise if that's what's needed from your end, to get back. This person is definitely open for compromise. Okay, in terms of how do they view you? They view you as someone who's mature, who's dominating, who's bit controlling. You also haven't expressed your feelings much. They know deep down that you also wish that this connection works somehow, but you do not express it. Okay, one more card. With Knight of Wands, they have solid passion for you as well. Okay, like a solid sexual attraction, not just attraction but a very strong sexual attraction. So whenever you guys meet, there's always fire there. I mean, there are always sparks going everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So one card for what can you expect from now until the end of the month. So it's a very good reading. So far, so good. With Page of Wands, this person will approach you pretty soon, like in couple of days. Okay, if they haven't. With Ace of Wands, you guys will definitely get it back if you guys haven't been on good terms. I say a restart. Okay. In terms of what has been getting in the way, blockages. What has been getting in the way is King of Cups. This person hasn't been very expressive. Okay, they haven't been listening to their intuition. Okay, they've been more like following their passion or like lust, and they have been less expressive. So that could have got you a bit off track. What else? With Five of Cups, this person is always a bit pessimistic. They are not very much hopeful that this will work or this will get somewhere. With Five of Wands, they have always gotten into negative thinking patterns. Okay, with King of Swords, they haven't really said what it like what you wanted to listen. They have always trying to possibly like tone down their words for whatever reason. Maybe they did not have the confidence. Maybe it was fear. Maybe it was fear of rejection. Okay. One more card in terms of what can you expect from this person now. See, I can assure you this much that you are being a part of a connection that is mutual. Okay, your person does have feelings for you, but they fear being rejected. Okay, because if you give in, like how would that turn out? If you give in, I definitely see it taking some time, but it's gonna go in the right direction. Okay, it's gonna go in the right direction, but it's gonna take some time. Okay, one more card. What else do we see? The major blockage. Major blockage is this person having to express their true feelings. Okay, and they look at themselves as someone who's below you, so that lack mentality is getting in the way. I hope that is clear. So yes, this was your reading for Scorpio from now until the end of the month. It was one of the best readings I've done for the zodiac signs. Okay, and there's a very good chance that you guys will end up together. Okay, regarded you trust each other, which you do not. Okay, so yes, that is all. I do not see a third party or anything getting in the way, just lack of fear, lack of understanding, okay, and lack of trust. Okay, not lack of fear, lack of acceptance. Okay, and that is it. And yeah, if you liked it, if you connected, please do hit the like button. Please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you want a personal reading, do reach out on the website and book one for yourself. We do have 15% off going on. I am glad to reconnect with you, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers. Thank you so much.